Welcome to a trade a day where on most days, if I find anything interesting, I put out either a video like this or just a note on my Substack for a trade that I'm interested in. Some will come from Trade Ideas, which is my scanner. Some will come from my algorithms, which I provide via StatsEdge Pro. So if you want to learn more about that, go to statsedgetrading.com. You can learn about the live Q&A that we're going to do every month, the members only chat room that we have, the ability to look at what my algorithms output on a week by week basis, and you can see all of that there. So without further ado, let's pop into the chart here. We're going to be talking about Capital One Financial. So this actually popped up on a trend continuation algorithm that performs really, really well over the long run on the weekend. Everything that I do over at StatsEdge Pro, I calculate and I run all the numbers over the weekend. I do a members only video of those algorithms and kind of what they're outputting, and then I send that to you guys. So again, statsedgetrading.com if you want to check that out. But this is just basically looking for a breakout of this range that we see right here. But as I commented in my video, it had earnings actually last night, so I'm not going to trade it going into earnings. I just don't do that. I don't buy or sell things going into earnings. What I do is exactly what's happening here is I look at the reaction after earnings. So initially a pretty strong gap down, but then it rallied all day long. This area, call it 149-ish, seems to be a very big level for this one. So now that it's done this gap down, shook out a lot of weak hands and then reversed, this 149 area becomes much, much more interesting to me if we can break through this tomorrow or sometime into the end of the week. So that's what I'm watching there on that. This strength is doubly interesting and important if you look at financials, XLF. Massive push out of this bull flag, and now we've kind of come back down. We had a really weak day today on that, and we had a really weak day on the SPY, but COF, or Capital One Financial, looks really, really good, just keeping in mind how everything else sold off. So if this thing gaps down tomorrow and sells off, obviously no trade. I want to see it break this 149 area, preferably probably 150, and I want to see it hold there for a period of time so it doesn't just flash up in the morning and wick me in or anything like that. So that's what I'm looking at here on Capital One Financial. Again, for more of this, come on over to statsedgetrading.com.